Alright, we're here for some fun. It's mailbag day. I know what's in the brown envelope, and these have come in over the last little while. I've been holding off to get a pile of them to open up, and I honestly can't remember what came in first. So we'll start with this one. You should see what's actually on the description. Says module. That's all it says is module. Oh, wonderful. I've been looking for these, waiting for these. They are modules. So my next step is to learn the wonderful world of Arduino, and these are infrared modules. So my goal is, I have many uses for future use for these. So as I was saying, I was interrupted, but anyway, what I have many intended uses for these for model railroading, but my first use is to develop a speedometer, taking two of these at a measured distance, having it hooked up to an Arduino Nano in a built-in case, and as the train runs by, it calculates the scale speed. My intention is to also incorporate maybe a couple of different scales, HO obviously being one, N, and I might even go as far as oh, I'm not sure, but at least two of the most popular. So those are cool. I've been waiting probably over a month for those. What's this one say? Manifest required. Doesn't really say. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, groovy. Yeah, I've been waiting for these as well. You can put battery power. So obviously 6 volt and 3 volt battery power to test circuits that I mess around with. Wonderful. Another untrackable. Oh, Nano Uno multi-purpose expansion board. So that's probably exactly what it is. I've been waiting for that as well. So this is another component for that speedometer project that I'm going to attempt. So I don't want to use an full-size Arduino Uno. I want to use a Nano, but I don't want to connect direct to the board, so I want it to do some sort of a breakout, just for easy connections. So this is the breakout board, power supply, and all of the pin headers here is where the Nano plugs in, and then I can then attach to these other connectors. So it should lend itself quite easily and make it a neat little project. And this one here, it just says module. Really not a module. Oh, it's my LED tester. Interesting why the screws are out there. I'm not sure if it needs, it needs a battery, that's why. Well now, that's going to be cool. I saw this fella that I watched a lot of the Mailbag Mondays was Pile of Stuff, and he had one of these with what he used to test a lot of his LEDs to see what color they are and check brightness with milliamps and all of that stuff. And I thought I had to have one, so I got one. They're only a few bucks. That probably took damn near 2 months to come in, needless to say. And of course, with COVID and the way China has been, it's where 4 or 5 months ago you could probably get this for $1. I probably paid a few dollars for this with no shipping. You know, some of these you go and you order these and or you look them up and it could be 1 to a half a dozen pieces, and the prices have gone up, but then there's like an enormous amount of freight on it, which is odd. But hopefully when things eventually come back down to normal levels of normality with COVID, that we'll be back to the way we were with China, and you get stuff for a few bucks with free shipping. It'd be nice. So the piece de resistance is this. This wasn't an eBay purchase. The others were. This was a Facebook buy and sell purchase. Let's. Ooh, that's not promising. Let's hope it's all there. Well, it is. Kind of crappy glue on that, but at least it's survived. This is my purchase. I have to test it, obviously, but at least it's in one piece and it survived. It doesn't even look like it's even been set up to be used, so hopefully it's all default factories. Even came with a speaker, which I'm not a huge fan of these. That's quite similar to a Digitrax speaker, but it's an Econami, an N-scale Econami decoder, which is freaking awesome. I thought it was HO scale. That's even better that it's N-scale. That means it'll fit in a lot smaller cab. So I'll have to rethink what I intend to use this for. I was going to, if it was HO scale, it was going to go into my, I have a couple of Genesis F7s that I need to put sound in. But now that this is an N scale, I've got to rethink that. None of the wires have been stripped, so I would say this is brand new, which means I shouldn't need to reset it to default settings. It's diesel, so it's got Alco 240s, EMDs, early EMDs. Yeah, so I'll have to figure out what I'm going to put that in. Not bad. Basically got that the way it is. It was $85 plus $5 shipping, so, and it came from Quebec. So yeah, not a bad haul. Good mailbag video. I'm pleased. I do have others, more product coming in. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.